Hi everyone and welcome back to Tech Collars Up, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to see who share your post on Instagram. The first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app. So once you open your Instagram app, all you need to do right here is to head over to your profile section. All you need to do right here is to head over to the image or the video you posted. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to be using this image as an example. So I'm going to be clicking on it right here. So before you could actually check who share your post on Instagram, you need to make sure you're actually using a business or a creator's account. So if you're actually using a personal account, you might not be able to see this feature. That's the reason I'm going to advise you actually switch your account to a business account or to a creator's account. So you could just head over to your profile section right here at the down corner right here, then click on it. So once you actually click on it right here, you need to actually locate the settings. So all you need to do is actually scroll down a bit. So you're going to be coming over to where it says creator tools and control. So once you actually click on creator tools and control right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. Then you're going to be seeing where it says switch account type. So once you actually click on switch account type, it's going to take you to a place where you could actually switch your account to a business account, or you could either switch it to a personal account. So like I said, I'm going to advise you actually switch your account to a business account or to a creator's account. So my Instagram account is already switched to a creator's account, so I won't be doing that. So all you need to do right here is actually just go back, click on the back button right here. Then you're going to be heading over to the post we want to check. So all you need to do is to click on the post right here. Then all you need to do is to actually head over to this place where it says view insight. So once you actually click on view insights right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. This is where you're actually going to be seeing who actually shared your post. You're going to be seeing how many likes your post have gotten and how many comments your post have gotten. So you could actually check how many people have seen your post. So that is how you could actually check who shared your post on Instagram. And I hope you guys found the video helpful. So if you know you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell